So probably the coolest project I ever worked on in my life is a project called Survival Island. We developed this game for a client that wanted to have a game instead of a questionnaire to see how people were doing with their level of vitality. I don't know how it is in your country, but in Holland, burnout is a really big issue. So a lot of 20 years old people have burnout complaints. Probably has to do also with social media. I mean, people are on their phones constantly. Everyone, is a superhero. Everyone is doing better than you. So there's a lot of stress on young people, and I think also there's an information overload. There's so much out there. I mean, more videos are uploaded to YouTube every day, and I'm also a culprit here than being watched. But so they asked us to develop a game because at that time they had a product which was basically a questionnaire with 100 questions where you had to fill out all those questions and then you would fit a certain profile saying, okay, Bart, you probably should give more attention to your spiritual being because that's what you want according to this questionnaire. Or you should take better care of your physical body because you're not in shape because you're basically too fat. Well, I try to move, I try to do yoga, so that's not an issue for me. And I try not to eat too much and drink too much wine. We developed a game, and I can teach you the whole process in the gamification workshop. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to our workshop. We do one workshop every second Thursday of the month for the next of the whole 2021 and maybe even beyond. So, but I'll give you a short case description right now. So the idea of the game is that you are in a shipwreck and you end up on a deserted island. Our inspiration came from the TV hit series Lost. You might still know, and if not, here's a clue what that was all about. So the TV series Lost was our inspiration, and also the game Myst. And if you don't know that game, you're not very old yet. Myst was a point-and-click adventure game which was common in the era where the mouse was just invented. Before that, we worked on computers without a mouse. It was incredible, and you had screens that you could not touch. There was no touch screen. So the game is about you start off at an island, and you don't know what to do. And basically, we don't give a lot of directions. You're just on an island, and good luck with that there. And if you're a very adventurous person, you will start to scavenge and explore the island and walk past the sea. And if you walk along the sea, you sometimes will find suitcases, and the suitcases will have certain products varying from bottles of water, or maybe energy drinks, or chips, or energy bars, or whatever. So in all the choices you make, we build a profile of you. So the way you manifest on the island will say something about you as a person. So basically, if you walk through the 80 different locations that we have in the game and the choices you make in the game, we will determine what type of person you are. We did this together with a behavioral scientist, obviously, and you will get a notification if you finish 65% of all the questions and you finished 65% of the locations. And as soon as you start playing, a mystery obviously will unfold, hence Myst. And it's important not to get lost in the game. And in the end of the game, when you played it all the way through, you will meet a certain person. And there you can verify if the profile really fits you, matches with your personality or not. So the idea behind the game is as soon as you get your profile, you have also collected a lot of credits or coins, and you can use those coins in the physical world actually to start doing your yoga course for free, or get some help with your diet, or find friends that also have similar challenges, and then they will help you to hook up together and then execute. for instance, go tennis or go jogging or whatever you might like to do in order to prevent you from getting burned out. Now, because of COVID happened and because of more and more teams work from a distance, we created a game engine that's actually very easy to apply to your problem. So if you have a challenge and if you want to build your own escape room or you want to build your own compliance game with different missions and different challenges and a storyline in it, please contact us, because we have the perfect tool for you to create a really engaging experience, whether it be an escape room or whether it be a point-and-click adventure game, which it basically is. We can just upload pictures of your company, of your building, or in a different street setting, whatever you like, because it's a very adaptable engine. And if you feel like playing the game, send me a direct message, send me an email, and I'll talk you through it in detail. Hope you like this case description, and if you're hungry for more, go visit the channel.